Do you love Japanese food? We are making it easy, healthy, and fun right at home. I'm Yoshiko from Tokyo Flavors New York Style, and with my partner Ian,
Konnichiwa.
We are bringing you bold Japanese flavors with a New York twist. Let's cook!
Do you remember sukiyaki was the first Japanese dish you made for me? I love the idea of cooking, eating, and socializing all at once around the table with our friends.
Of course I remember. It's a memorable dish. You hadn't experienced much Japanese food until you met me, but you loved sukiyaki. So today, I'll show you how to make it.
Great. Okay, so first we cut the stems of fresh shiitake mushrooms and we make decorative cuts on the caps. That looks like an edible star. Yum.
By doing this, the shiitake not only looks pretty but also absorbs the sauce better, so it tastes even better.
Got it. Okay, next we cut the stem of a Japanese leek and slice it diagonally about 2 inches long.
Yes, if you can't find Japanese leek, scallions are a good substitute. The size is different, but the taste is similar.
Good to know. And what is this? It looks like burned tofu.
This is called yaki tofu.
I've seen tofu packages that say broiled, firm tofu. So is this yaki tofu?
Yes, I am glad you are paying attention when we go shopping.
I try. And if you can't find it, you can use regular firm tofu, but traditionally sukiyaki uses yaki tofu. So we cut it into 8 equally sized blocks. And these are translucent noodles?
That's shirataki made from konjac yam. Recently, I found some regular American supermarkets carry shirataki. I am surprised and happy to see that. First, drain them in a colander, then put them in boiled water. When the water starts boiling again, remove from the stove and drain well again.
Got it. Then you chop them shorter with a knife so they're a little bit easier to eat.
Exactly. Otherwise, the noodles are too long.
Yeah, I know. I'm afraid of endless long noodles dangling from my chopsticks.
Right. I've seen you do that.
I know, it's embarrassing. So now heat up a frying pan on medium-high heat, add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, then a few slices of sukiyaki beef, and the white parts of the leek.
Don't add all the beef at once. It cooks quickly. If we overcook it, it won't be tender. And since the white leek takes longer to soften than the green part, we cook it first.
Mm-hmm. And then we add the sauce.
Yes, I prepared it in advance. 1/3 a cup each of soy sauce and mirin, plus little more than 2 tablespoons of sugar.
Mm-hmm. Add some sauce, then move the beef and the leek to the side of the pan to make space for shiitake, tofu, and shirataki. Cook everything till it absorbs that lovely rich sauce.
Yes, and you can add more sauce if you need to. If you can't find shirataki and the fry pan has space, you could add sliced onions as extra treat. Spinach is also a wonderful addition, and even better is shungiku, a Japanese leafy vegetable, when it's in season. You can also add other mushrooms like enoki for more variety.
The more the merrier. Well-behaved ingredients are always welcome. So now we crack 1 egg into its own individual bowl.
That's the authentic way to enjoy sukiyaki. But if you don't have eggs that you feel comfortably safe to eat raw, just skip that step. In Japan, eggs are very carefully stored for freshness.
And then you dip the cooked ingredients into the egg before eating. Nice.
When there is space in the pan, add the rest of the beef, vegetables, and more sauce if needed. Just don't overcook the beef.
Got it. And I love placing the pan on a tabletop stove. It's so cozy and welcoming.
Yes, it's part of the fun. Let's eat while it's hot.
Itadakimasu.
Love Japanese food? Let's make it easy at home.
Hit subscribe turn on notifications, and check out our website for more tips and recipes. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends.
Got questions or requests? Drop a comment. We love to hear from you. Stay hungry, stay curious.
Happy cooking!